Two leaders in the world of CRM and marketing automation go head-to-head, but which one truly powers growth? On one side, we have ActiveCampaign, renowned for its advanced automation. On the other, Nutshell, promising simplicity and robust sales management. We're putting both platforms through critical tests, workflows, integrations, pricing, user experience, and beyond. Forget the marketing jargon. We're here to see what these tools really deliver. Points are awarded for every category, and at the end, you'll have a clear winner. And trust us, the outcome might surprise you. Let's get into it. Before we go any further, let's lay it out. Here's our trusty mind map showing the categories we'll be comparing. So, price, feature set, usability, integrations, CRM power, reporting and analytics, and of course support and service. Everything that matters is on the table. Okay, first up is price. So, Nutshell actually comes out swinging here with a lower starting point and, wait for it all, features are included in every plan. That's kinda huge. No free plan, sure, but it's super straightforward. ActiveCampaign though, they do that classic tiered pricing thing and yeah, you get a 14-day free trial, but advanced automation features, they can really add up fast. Basically, for tight budgets or small teams, Nutshell is noticeably easier on the wallet. Let's talk features. ActiveCampaign is, honestly, stacked. You've got everything, powerful marketing automation, email, SMS, site messaging, heck even deep e-commerce integrations. The only catch? There's like a real learning curve if you're new. Nutshell, on the other hand, totally rocks the sales pipeline stuff, great for tracking leads. But when it comes to complex automations, or if you want to get wild with your marketing flows, yeah, you'll definitely feel a ceiling. Point here goes to ActiveCampaign for just how much it can do, if you need it. Moving on to usability. And this one's actually interesting. Nutshell is just, well, super easy to use. I'm talking you sign up and you're already customizing your pipeline or knocking out tasks. It just feels right, especially if you're not super technical. ActiveCampaign looks clean and you can customize dashboards, but sometimes the whole feature-rich interface, it honestly gets overwhelming. Like, you log in and go, whoa, where do I even start? So yeah, Nutshell nails the simplicity angle here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Nutshell actually gets its name from the idea of keeping your CRM in a nutshell. You know, simple, clear, concise. And honestly, that pretty much sums up their entire philosophy, right? Now, integrations. Ooh, this one matters if you're trying to connect all your tools. ActiveCampaign is a beast in this area. Seriously, it's got hundreds of integrations. Shopify, Salesforce, Zapier, you name it. If you want to get hyper-custom or connect a niche app, it probably works. The only thing is, sometimes configuring all those integrations can get, a bit tricky. Nutshell? It covers the most common ones and keeps it simple. Google, Outlook, Slack. You won't get lost, but if you're looking for wild flexibility, it's just not the same. ActiveCampaign absolutely takes it here. Alright? CRM power. Honestly, this is where Nutshell really shows off. It's built for sales teams. Specialized, easy to track leads, assign deals, work as a team. ActiveCampaign does have a CRM tacked on, and it's decent, but it just doesn't match a dedicated sales flow. If you're serious about sales pipeline, Nutshell is basically designed with you in mind. That's why it wins this round. Let's look at reporting and analytics. ActiveCampaign, again, flexes hard here, custom reports, all the marketing and automation analytics, e-commerce attribution, the works. Downside? You do have to pay for those juicier features. Nutshell's cool with forecasting and keeping you on top of the sales funnel, but it's not as deep, especially on marketing data. If you want to get nitty-gritty with numbers, ActiveCampaign's your jam. And now, support. So, Nutshell is actually super impressive. They're known for their live US-based support and even throw in free training and setup calls. No 24/7 live chat, but I mean, most teams won't miss it. ActiveCampaign has solid 24/7 chat and email support, and guided onboarding is available. But if you want phone support, you gotta be on the top tier plan, which is, kind of a bummer. For overall service and getting your team set up fast, yeah, Nutshell is the standout. So let's zoom out and take a look at how these two stack up visually. You'll see, the edges are pretty clear depending on whether your vibe is deep marketing automation or pure sales flow simplicity. Here's my take. If you want a CRM that's just super easy, friendly, and lets your sales team get going with absolutely no fuss, Nutshell is outrageously good. But, and it's a big but, if you want next level automation and you're ready to spend a little more or dive deeper into the weeds, ActiveCampaign is just on another planet. Different strengths. But hey, you know what? For the average small biz or team, simplicity often wins out, and in this matchup, Nutshell kinda steals the show. Hey, was this CRM battle useful for you? If you dig these face-offs and want more honest app reviews, subscribe and stick around. There's way more